Hi, I'm from Asta Pediatrics. Do you know 85% of Indian population who are obese snore at night? Is snoring normal? Clearly no. It happens mainly because of two reasons. So first one is that 10 to 15% people who snore, it is because of some nasal deformities or nose related problems. But major 85% population snore due to obesity. In the lying down position, excess fat around the neck puts pressure on the windpipe and blocks the passage of the air, which doesn't let you breathe properly. This creates a whistling sound due to the narrowed passage, which is nothing but snoring. When you snore, your body cannot take in the oxygen. Hence, you keep waking up in the middle of night. So you tend to use the washroom or drink water since you are not aware why you are actually awake. So snoring is a very big indication of obstructive sleep apnea. Bariatric surgery will help you to get a hold of this situation. So in 99% of our patients, we have noticed that sleep apnea was corrected in a few months post-surgery. If you snore a lot,